Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to install PUBG on your desktop or laptop. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To install PUBG on your desktop or your laptop, open up your web browser and download an Android emulator. In the URL box, search for an Android emulator. You can also type in www.bluestacks.com and press enter on your keyboard in order to download the BlueStacks Android emulator. Click on the download links available on your screen. You can also choose from other versions based on your need. Simply click on the download link in order to download your BlueStacks Android emulator on your laptop or your desktop, and once you have the Android emulator, click it open. Soon after you open up this page, click on this Google Play Store option. This will open up the BlueStacks app player. Remember that you'll need your Google account's credential in order to get access to your BlueStacks app player. Enter your Google account's credentials, that is your email and your password, in order to access your BlueStacks app player. In the search box at the top, type in PUBG and search. Click the install button right next to the PUBG mobile application to begin the downloading process. The PUBG Mobile is a free-to-play battle royale video game. It has been chosen over by 1 billion players worldwide. Once the application is finished installing, you'll be able to see a play button popping up. Give it a click and you'll be able to play PUBG on a desktop or laptop. That is how you can easily download PUBG mobile application on your laptop. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.